So what I've decided to do is use this space right over here to build my new office. Now, I'm not a professional framer. I'm not a contractor. I don't do construction for a living. I just found in the corner a crack in the concrete, and a black widow has made its nest inside of that hole. It's not going to be happy now.
I'm a nerd.
Okay, so what you see here is me starting to frame the walls. I did everything 16 inches on center, the way walls are supposed to be done. And I used screws to make everything easy to remove, so when it comes time to leave this place, I can just break everything down and have usable 2x4s. And of course that board looks really bowed. I don't know if that's the board or the camera. Probably the board. But I ended up making 4 walls, and the shed, instead of being an 8x8, was more of a 8x6 1/4. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is my new workspace, and the kids are doing their school inside, thanks to COVID. 2 weeks to flatten the curve of my ass. It's been 7 months, and fortunately I've not lost my job. So I'm not going to talk about where I work, but I haven't lost my job as of yet, and so we're still okay, and I was able to build this project based off of, you know, working and having an income coming in. This corner right here was where my gorilla rack was, and I had a whole bunch of crap on it. And now it's a working office. Now I had to turn off the air conditioner to record my video. It's really loud with the AC running, but I'll just turn it on when I edit. And if I have to shoot anything, I'll have to turn it off. It's fine. I need to add some more soundproofing, I think. I put some on the wall in front of me so that my voice kind of bounces off, but it's still a little tinny in here. I can hear it in my ears. So I'll add some more of these pads up. They're not very expensive, fortunately, and I just hung them up with nails just temporarily to hold them there. I was worried at one point that management was going to have me tear this thing down because we are renting, but they came and did an inspection and just walked off. So knock on wood, we're fine. It's easy enough when we go to move to rip out. It's you know, not attached to any of the walls other than a couple L brackets to hold on if we have earthquakes, because we're Central California and we do get earthquakes. That does happen here. It'll be easy enough to just unscrew those from the wall and break all the walls down and tear it out of here. And when we go to move, we actually plan on staying here until we buy a home. So next place we go, I'll probably buy one of those prefabbed Home Depot, whatever brand they are, sheds, and convert it to a working space with actual electrical runs and do it right. Overall, I don't think I did too bad on this. This is my first build from scratch, top to bottom. I mean, the walls are stable, it's holding. I have a door, it's quiet. I can work out here my 3 days a week. I'll be doing my YouTube videos from here mostly. And I'm thinking about starting a little series where I go to Wish.com and grab some cheap electronics and see what see what kind of quality they really are. I've heard Wish is basically, you know, the cheap stuff you get from China. If I don't pay a lot for it, I don't expect that it'll be high quality. So that'll be a fun little series to do. Just and you know, I think Wish videos have been pretty popular, so maybe I can grow the subscribers on this channel. Of course, these early videos I don't expect, you know, a lot from. They're me getting used to being in front of a camera. I'm not the most comfortable person in front of a camera. My job is behind a camera. I am you know, an engineer. I'm a tech. I like to fix things, so you know, I'll fix the cameras. But being in front of it's a little uncomfortable. The more I do it, the more comfortable I get, and I can bring better content as time goes on. If you like this video, please click the like button. Also, press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification when I upload new content. And as always, thanks for watching.